Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to import a PST file into Gmail using the MailsDaddy PST to Gmail migration tool. The whole process is very simple and I will guide you through every step. So first open your browser and go to the MailsDaddy official website, or you can simply search PST to Gmail. Open the official page and click on the free download button. Once the download is complete, run the setup file and follow the on-screen instruction to install the software. After the installation is complete, open the MailsDaddy PST to Gmail migration tool. The software has a clean and easy to use interface. If you already have a license key, enter it and click on Activate button. If you don't have a license key yet, click on Get Demo button to continue with the trial version. Remember that the demo version allows you to migrate up to 20 items from each folder. After entering your license key, click Activate button. So enter the license key. After entering the license key, click on the Activate button. Once your license is activated successfully, click OK. The software will restart automatically. Now click on the Open File button and select the PST file you want to import. After the file is loaded, you can preview all mailbox data here. If everything looks good, click on the Migrate button to continue. Now select the folder you want to migrate. Here continue with all and enter your Gmail email address and app password to connect your account. If you're not sure how to create a Gmail app password, you can click the provided link for instruction. If needed, you can use the date filter option to migrate email from a specific time period. You can also choose a location to save the migration log file. After filling in all details, click the Migrate button. The migration process will begin, and once it is completed successfully, click OK. Here you can see the migration process getting started. Here you can see the migration process is completed successfully. Click OK. The software also provides an advanced search option, and for that click on search button and choose the folder you want to search. You can also filter email using options like from, to, subject, has the words. Also, you can use the date filter to find email between specific dates. After applying your filters, click search and the matching emails will be displayed. For example, I'll search using the subject keyword, or I use has the words like Quora and click on search button. As you can see, the software displays all emails that contains this keyword. You can select all the emails or choose only the ones you want to migrate. I'll select just for a few emails and click on Export button. Enter your Gmail account details again and select the path for the log file and just click on Migrate button. The migration will start immediately. Once it finishes, click OK. Click OK. After every migration, the software automatically creates a detailed log report. To view it, open the migration history. Here you can see the total number of migrated email and skipped email and failed email. You can also open the detailed log file to check the date, time and complete migration information. If you need more details, click open to view the full report. Like, here is the log file, time, date, second, all details are mentioned here. And that's it, you have successfully imported your PST file into Gmail. With the MailsDaddy PST to Gmail migration tool, moving and managing your emails become quick, simple and hassle-free. You can download the software using the link provided in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.